지나간 애들과는 다르게 장착하는 법을 알려주네. 왜 이렇게 간단한 것들로 고민했나. 내가 봐도 바보같이 느껴지게 만드네. 내 일상에 배어든 너의 향기에 한 모금 취해 난 오늘 하루도 버티네. 버겁던 모든 일들도 가볍게 느껴지고 못.
Electricity, right next to me, dopamine.
Lay it down on me, I'll be your relief. I've been falling deep, further into dreaming. You exist between our reality. Pull me underneath. Dopamine, dopamine energy when you come to me. Got what I need, don't you see? Electricity, right next to me. Dopamine when you're touching me. All I see is dopamine. Dopamine, dopamine energy when you come to me. Got what I need, don't you see? Electricity, right next to me. Dopamine when you're touching me. All I see is dopamine. Dopamine, dopamine energy.
It's all the
check it shadow.
Soft as a sunrise, gentle and true. Colors of heaven painted in you. Beauty in silence, strength in the rain. Fragile beginnings that still remain. Every season we still grow. In our softness, power shows. Flowers, flowers, delicate and strong. Flowers, flowers, where we belong. Grace in the sunlight, roots in the ground. Flowers, flowers, beauty all around. Petals like poetry, tender and bright, blooming through darkness, reaching for light. Every woman carries gardens inside, blossoms of courage we cannot hide. Every season we still grow